Hello, hello. Let's clear our energy today before we start. Which pile has our messages today? Let's pick the middle one. First one is Black Bear. Guardian, gentle and wise protector. Give me your confidence and power. Help me protect the ones I love. Awaken my intuition and guide me. Take a leap of faith into the unknown. Surround yourself with people who make you hungry for life. Touch your heart and nourish your soul. Outer space, take the time to heal, grow, and expand. And then our little envelope today. Kindness is a language the blind can see and the deaf can hear. For sure, for sure. Life is too short to do work you don't enjoy. 100% agree. Worrying is like paying a debt you don't owe. And the last one today. Sometimes you just need a hug and a taco. All right, adios. Thanks for stopping by.